What's your problem?
Hello guys, welcome back to LSRG Garage channel. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing the battery on an Alfa Romeo Giulia. So let's dive right in. Okay guys, before we get started, here are the tools you'll need. So first of all, a socket wrench set, second, safety gloves. Alternatively, you can also use these nitrile gloves, but always remember to wear gloves. This is very important just to protect yourself from any accidental sparks or battery acid. We are set, let's move to the car. Here we are. So the battery in the Giulia is located in the trunk, not under the hood as many other cars. So let's head to the trunk and have a look. Okay, here we are. So the battery is located under this cover here. So you'll just have to remove these two clips and then try to take this away, and here you go. Here is the battery. Okay, so first we will disconnect the negative terminal, which is this one. For this you'll need a 10mm socket. So let's have a look how it works. Always start with the negative one. Okay, that's done. Second step, disassemble the positive terminal. Here we go. There is just a clip here behind, and here we go. That's done. I'll try to make some space. Okay, looks good. Finally, there is here something you will have to remove also with a 10mm socket that holds the battery in place. Okay. Looks like okay. And now the battery is free to be removed. You can unplug this cable as well, and now you will be able to remove the battery. Be extremely careful, this is extremely heavy. It's approximately 24 kilos. To remove it. There we are. Okay, it's time now to install the new battery. So important is to always take the exact same model as the original one. So let's place it in the compartment, making sure it's seated properly, and let's have a look on how to reconnect the plugs. Okay, so the best way is to enter a bit sideways. Let's see if I can. Holding this cable. Okay, here we go. Almost. Yeah, looks good. Now we'll have to replace the connectors, but before that we have to secure the battery with this bolt here, which goes exactly like this. So let's try to find the hole. That will be fun again. Just make one turn and then narrow the battery at the max. Okay, and now just make sure you also have access to this cable here. Okay, which is not the case. Okay, this is also a very important part, so just have to put it back here, but we will do it afterwards. First we will just secure this bolt again with the 10mm socket. Okay, no need to bind too strongly. And now you can replace this here. Here we go. That's done. So now we are able to reconnect first the positive pole. Always start with the positive one. Okay, and now you can safely connect the negative one. Make sure it's really well pushed in. So if you have difficulties putting back the negative connector in place, just take a plastic hammer and hit a couple of times until it enters well. Normally it helps. Okay, here we go. So I will reconnect now the start and stop connector. That's done. Let's try to put the cable like this. Should be fine. Okay, now we can bind this a little bit more tight, and finally we will attach this one. Tight it well, because the more tight it is, the best, as you will improve the contact. So okay, that's done. So now we have the other funny part, which is actually to start the car again. And as you will see, there will be a couple of faults appearing on the dashboard, which we will have to clear. Let's go. So let's start the car and let's see what happens. Okay, mistake, error, another one, another one. It's basically telling you that nothing is responding. So let's start the engine and I will show you how to solve this. Also the suspension. So turn the steering wheel completely to the right and then completely to the left. Start the engine again. Okay, perfect, no more errors, so we are fine. What we will do now is actually plug the computer to the car and check if everything is fine, and also check the voltage of the battery and see if everything is fine. I'll show you how to do this. So now I connected my multi EQ scan to the car, and what I'll do is actually make a scan to check if there are any errors. So this can take a bit of time, So I will accelerate this part and stop speaking. Okay, so it looks like there are no errors, so that's already a good news. So I think we are fine with everything. I'll go for a ride and I will let you know later if there is any other problem. But I think so far everything what was necessary has been done. So if you don't hear from me, that means that the job is done, and I hope to have you again on the channel soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.